back to my channel. I'm Mazir Rich here. Thank you for watching my video. So what can you do in a day when you wake up, right? You can basically do many things. You can meditate and try to do the meditation is good, right? So like me, I can I'll show you what I'm doing. Like after meditation, wake up early in the morning. This is I'm basically dismantling a human creation called the laptop, the netbook. Look at that, right? It's basically dismantling, right? So if I put this power button, right, you look at the lights there. So basically this is a power button issue on a netbook. Windows, see, ta-da, that's Windows for you, built by Bill Gates and team. Look at that. This is a power button problem on the normal laptop. So what I do is I open up the top, right? You can see there's this metal thing here. It doesn't work, but don't do this with a screwdriver, because I'm used to it, because if not you will short the body with electricity, right? So might do harm to the motherboard. Right, next, what can I do? Look at these are breadboard. All of you bring this what do you call that, Raspberry Pi, Arduino. That's a good thing. Arduino doing this recording for breadboard, right? So there's a LED button there, there's transistors, a few cables, few jump wires there, right? There's RS232 there, right? So these are basically, if you do create on the Arduino, right, we can make a lot of stuff in there, especially for drones, right, or robotics. You can study coding there. Most of this you can buy it on Adafruit or any online shop or any local shops that's selling all these electronic products, right? It's a good learning. So tomorrow you can build the new things if you learn today. Right? Look at that. It's probably you can build new things tomorrow better than today or better than yesterday. Look at that. That's a power jack there. So this, if you put on the breadboard, then probably you find a laptop power that has not been used. Probably you find an Acer. This one I found, this power jack is compatible to the Acer, the old model, right? You can power that up to your breadboard, or you can even, if you don't want to use the power jack, you can even use a battery, but that wouldn't last long, right? You can basically mark up the diagram of what you're going to do according to your programs on the Raspberry Pi. You can do a lot of stuff in there, robotics, such as now we have a lot of self-moving vacuum cleaner. That's fun, right? So you can use that, or self-moving drones, right? Or you can do for the more advanced thing, for the factory side manufacturing. So all these for manufacturing machines, or you can do it for what else? You can do basically a lot of stuff with this Arduino thing and Raspberry Pi. But before you do that, you have to test it on a breadboard, and then you can create probably you can diagram like this Android phone motherboard, or a computer board, or a small board to program your LED lights, like a watch, digital watch, right? So this basically can create you can think of more VR, like nowadays the VR, virtual reality, is the most in thing, right? So combine that into this Raspberry Pi thing. I think that will be fun. It'll be great fun, right? But first you have to study this breadboard. On the breadboard, do the markup, right? Do the input and output according to your program. After that, you can be an expert, right? So I hope you continue to watch this video, right? So this is what you can do in a day. So you wake up, meditation, do your jogging, eating your healthy breakfast, right? Awesome. Look at that. But then you can do all this, right? I can do multiple power button repair, right? Other screen products, probably you want to change your LCD screen. But nowadays, less and less people are going into the PC and the laptop unless they're doing something or probably office work, or probably they need a bigger screen other than handphone or a smartphone, and you need a bigger hard drive for bigger purpose, right? So that you need a laptop or a PC. If you're at the office, you can use a PC, because still it's more than something better. If you don't have a PC, you have a small Android phone, which is very small. If you want to do programming, take this, right? How do you program on a small thing? Basically you can't, unless it's you do a program on the computer or your laptop, and then you add it on the way on the go. Probably some bugs fixing, probably you can do that on a handphone, right? So basically you still need PC. But nowadays programs are all bigger. They need bigger storage, bigger RAM, such as Windows. They need bigger RAMs. Unless you are using Linux, that might need smaller RAM, right? And of course, bigger storage. Yes, everybody needs bigger storage. Dude, YouTube video is big. Right? Creating a YouTube video is already big, right? Downloading, probably you love to watch your videos, is big. That's a big storage that you need. Unless you're used to uploading it to Google Drive or extracting it to another thumb drive, that'll be a hassle, right? Look at that. It's awesome. So thank you for watching my video. Peace.